We did get some good news today from the immigration front, pero I'm sure marami pa rin po ang nababahala sa nangyayaring pagbagsak or paghina ng ekonomiya ng Estados Unidos. At apektado po tayong mga kababayan dahil dito po tayo nakatira sa Amerika. But speaking of hard times, there are some solutions here and there. And speaking of money matters, ngayon makakasama po natin si Luis Abiera, ng Vice President for Business Development ng Prepaid Card Services. And he's here to introduce us to a new product that they're trying to introduce to the market. Hi, Luis. Welcome to Kababayan LA.
Thank you, Janelle.
Okay, ang concept behind prepaid card services ay ang pagkakaroon ng network-branded prepaid debit card.
That's right.
And stored value card. Can you explain to us what this means?
Yes, this is widely used in the other ethnic community. Unfortunately, in the Filipino community, this has not been exposed very well.
Okay.
So for our kababayans to take advantage of.
Okay, before we can take advantage of it, can you explain to us the concept behind it?
Yes, the major feature of this card, this is, by the way, our card. And I can have a card here in the U.S., and I can send one card to a family member or a relative in the Philippines or any beneficiary in the Philippines or other countries. And I can move or transfer money by card-to-card transfer, money from my card to this card.
Okay.
And
Una muna, Luis, paano magkakaroon ng pera yung card?
yes, this is also a payroll card where you do direct deposit. And then once the money is already deposited into this card, that's when you can do card-to-card transfer using online. And if you don't have a computer, you can use the phone. So both online and over the phone.
So, pwede kang mag-remit ng pera sa mga kaibigan mo, mahal mo sa buhay sa Pilipinas, and also at the same time, it's a prepaid card. So, for those of you who don't have credit cards, this is the best way to go. And also for those of you na medyo nagjejeta sa pag-shopping in your consumption, and you want to make sure that you're only spending what you have, this is the right way to go, right?
That's where our card comes in.
Okay, how does it come in that manner?
Yes, because this is a MasterCard, so they can use it wherever MasterCard is accepted. And also in the Philippines, as you know, we have both networks, the BancNet and Megalink. And this is acceptable anywhere in the Philippines.
Okay, dito kailangan nyo lang pong pondahan ang card. That's the picture on the screen. You saw that earlier. That's the website. Kailangan nyo lang pong pondahan ang card. So let's say for this month you only want to spend maybe $500. You can just put $500 in the card and use it for the whole month, right?
Yes, actually I can load to my card, a primary card, up to $9,500.
Wow.
But if I want to send money to my beneficiary in the Philippines, I can send $500, $200, or even $100.
Okay. What else are the advantages of having this card as opposed to the traditional way of applying for debit cards from the banks?
As I said, this can be a remittance card. So when you transfer money to the other card, you don't have to pick it up pick it up in other locations. This is acceptable anywhere, as long as...
So, parang all-in-one dyan sa card na yan. It's not just, a card that you can use to spend here. It's also a card that you can use to send money to your friends and family in the Philippines. Now, where can we get those cards? If I want to get one, paano bang distribution yun ng card na ito?
Yes, actually we have a reseller program where we pursue and recruit ISOs, that's independent sales organizations, and we also have on a direct sales basis. Of course, this is also a payroll card, so we offer this to employers who's got a large population of unbanked employees.
Right, so pwedeng imbis na cheque ibibigay sa mga employees, pwedeng ipasok na lang dyan sa card.
Yes,
You can give, if you're an employee,
via direct deposit.
Right, if you're an employer, you can give your employees one of each one of those cards, and then just put their salary there through the card. All right, thank you so much, Luis, and hopefully maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan the benefits of the RSVP card. And for more information, we've been flashing the website on the screen as well. You saw the website, and log on to that website so you can get more information about the card. More power to you, Luis. At mga kababayan, magbabalik na naman po tayo ngayon with Men of the 80s. Kilala niyo po ba sila? Makikilala po natin when we return. Don't go away.